Now there's a better way to clean everything in the kitchen sink. It's called TurboFlex 360. TurboFlex 360 installs in seconds, quickly transforming your ordinary faucet into a powerful, flexible sprayer. Standard faucets leak, loosen, and have limited reach. TurboFlex 360's strip-free design twists on tight and reaches every inch of your sink, making even the toughest jobs quick and easy. The 6-inch hose is made from smart steel, which is heavy-duty durable, but flexes like rubber. Need to rinse? Switch from Jetstream to Wide Spray instantly. TurboFlex 360 is perfect for rinsing fruits and veggies, filling tall vases, cleaning caked-on messes, and washing the sink when you're all done. TurboFlex 360 is a must-have for every kitchen sink. You'll wonder how you ever got by without it.